Need to invite someone to your Zoom meeting. Whether you're hosting a business meeting, an online class, or a casual video call, Zoom makes it easy to send invitations in just a few steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invite people to a Zoom meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, either start an instant meeting or open a meeting you've already scheduled. You'll need an active or scheduled meeting before you can send invitations. Both meeting types let you invite participants using the same basic process. If you're already in a meeting, click the Participants button on the meeting toolbar. This opens the participant list and gives you access to the invitation options. You'll find the Invite button near the bottom of this panel. Click Invite, then choose how you'd like to send the invitation. You can invite people from your contacts, send an email through a supported service, or simply copy the meeting invitation. Most people find copying the invitation or meeting link to be the quickest option. If you copied the meeting link or invitation, paste it into an email, messaging app, or any communication platform you prefer. Your participants can simply click the link to join. The invitation also includes the meeting ID and passcode if they're required. For scheduled meetings, you can also open the meeting from the Meetings tab and copy the invitation before the meeting begins. This gives everyone more time to prepare. Sending invitations early helps reduce last-minute confusion. Finally, ask your participants to use the meeting link or enter the meeting ID and passcode if needed. Once they join, you'll see their names appear in the participants panel. So, your Zoom meeting is now ready for everyone to join, and that's how to invite people to a Zoom meeting. Whether you send a meeting link, copy the full invitation, or invite people from your contacts, the process only takes a minute. Sending the invitation ahead of time helps everyone join smoothly without unnecessary delays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.